Mana kama nanya kwa magajuanga kautuli makene marua kichendro mukinyi mailendo ni cheng jamuri nya kwa magajuanga chunyo nagi TV kendi mana kanwa yangu ni kacha nika wunwa dhibido kachi koda Jetelo chairman ma broad-based government makamu aka the C nya kwa magajuanga mabende kuro dhigo kudombaka kandi nito Chalmar Kenya chalona de paona masiasa madhita chunyo ni Enan Steve James Odhiambo aka nya kwa Nyaroni 1 mato chunyo nagi TV wakilo negi na chelka uoke hotel mano maduong Marcelela Resort Madore chunbo manomaki Sumu Oginga Udinga Street. Karibu sana machigni kendo chaka kapo kwa chako tinamra kautul makende mondarwake the chairman ilungu ni the C mano wang maneno ber serikal awinji kitegno
serikal ni kitegno
eh
opposition ni mbede mayomio government ya kibet strong steady nyakahoi
ado kila matere
no I'm sawa
in sawa
kare kabisa
ionge wasiwasi
ya komrwa kwa broad base so ya sawa kare ndio kwa waje ndio kwa waje wadoni kare kabisa ile kama ni masani mbele kuduka ungeni nyinga ul ma official name ile Richard Mundi jambo AK makamu yes kuru amor kumlunga ya betu
makamu wala mo timu ndoro mari mana matine jo makia inyisani makamu ya kanye makamu wuduma ya kure
makamu no nyoli pe ma wunja iyo mchoneno uganya constitution sani nje wasipo ikoreno wunja era mara sere umala pe kanye mane kama nyoli serikali jumbe mara ile intellectual hiyo kawa
intellectual opio ndai
mane mjumbe mara mane kaka anta sebe dukara ya somo ngala kanyo tieko skulu ngala chaka dia somo gimili unu water ili unu plumbing
timo plumbing
water is life ora tiyo plumbing ayu grade 1 chaka over qualified dia bed industrial car timo plumbing nyanza builders ginene watimo helni wanozo ginene but we be kunde mag diocese under Catholic diocese baba ya Catholic Tanzanian chairman was in Samuel
Magadi priest
so kanya mama kanya na political activists ora vile activists kaya broad base kaja komuke lokatamna azimio anira director kila ngo kinenegi wadonje kila ka NDP babilo ya chairman machama kurosani ashopi level mar broad based director Western Kenya region sasa maja komu create anything in Kenya they just take charge
inda kasunjo karaka kidwa komoro
onge koma dwara anja kombora ni sa live am sawa kombora ji ukote you talk there one mama kao gimitie ikonye moja pe
idoni in komoro mora mdwaro mora rija kome is alive
I'm safe
to adwa penji gimoro kande awinjo kiwacho ni jako pire kendo ja kanisa ma Saint Samuel Catholic
and St James Paris Magadi so ananda sub Paris mabenjo tani St Samuel duol ma St Samuel ani jakom
to nyocha nano ku chwanyo jakom liel mabende koro no wacho ni kano dhi to jo padri odagi ni ok nyal wuo nikech chik oserumo
liel kanye
mano dhi ko engineer thune ka koro na video ko wacho kata ni koro utamruno kawuo nikech koro liel oserumo no chwanye kabisa wana penja ne kama makamu broad-based government ni intire jokombeni koro yuwake penja ni to joluo moko bende joluo ni serikal kusa joluo ni kany
wan government ODM kende maungi government chama kende moko reyore serikal but Uganda luo ni serikal ajimuka akianji ukanda stand gini nao kanga to mi cabinet minister ma finance manu chuli government uchako mi attorney general legal advisor to the president uchako mi kamili on energy gine ne ministerial adego get very sensitive the government the current government mati poro kara serikali ubeti ka unyango it's a very simple question and kima jo one go understand
no gine chando ji ok kuwinje
ok ni chando ji jo unyango position koro kinyala understand anything ini pana kata ja kom amulu nya lego bine na hero Nobel president chik da ko yene mi wa finance do pogo
do pogo
do pogo kada Tony General da ko mi maybe waloya do yude maybe ukuje duko ja komisa pan africanist eno ken nepotism ethnicity of self-centered kaka jomo ko self-centered it menyo twelda ja komen nationalist en ngama ngiyo kada bro do basin neno ko ka ujaluare yokende
emokete
tineno kama loyo yudo Nyapokot choyo
boyudo
costo yudo o divide tineno uhuru gi ko mi magi do mina ka bogo jodala ngati miluongo ka chago ni to chodho na jodala gi masoka gini luongi ni egocentric people ethnicity of cocoon
jok madwaro margi kende
get self-centered kuro mago jomo ko wanyal trust emomiyo wani serikal
joluo ni serikal
yes
ODM monge serikal
ko negotiate mano wabro timo 2027 wabro reunite wabro loso chama chiel makida Ruto no wadwa ga mondo tim amendment obio bet president ODM okuno bedo president Euda mago wabro loso bet Ruto ne ga penta ko Euda go lokalo kuna Euda yo kala we ga chago dio dwaro kukura wao kiti
barana no ka koro section mag bende members mag jo ODM mabene koro ne ye kande bende ywak no ka Babu Owino bende koro gina no ne gibedo sideline Orengo Bonyocha no wacho ni kwa dhi kanyo mondo obedo kaka the praise and worship team koro gini jigwemba
ko pogoro magi wacho ko wano kwan right ma wacho gino wano ni kama ngamo minister dilo wano mondo wachil president ni rachna Dakitu kuwa ni kajago ni dakitu isikira kutola amo mizani wa tekeno the collective responsibility of cabinet minister it is to support the system not to gine kaini go white teri cabinet meeting kakanyo ngin kakamega you raise it there you don't go to a funeral kidi chaki go the same government give me no justice between you should resign and go home and leave that seat for even a tent.
Me support that.
I support that. If the collective responsibility of the government.
Kati inyori.
Kineno katekini you resign kakaja na mugino resign. Kana kakara ina no resign. Kineno kagino kidonji. But you cannot be there at the same time when you contradict. You will go home. Eo myo kajago nji home. Koro jo manu wako kakajo wa makaka Sufuna gavana Mara let them talk. Gikonyowa.
But gik mage wacho go to in fact
let them say those facts to help the government to run facts you get kaka imedo wacho facts kakwa medo rekebisha gidi samuni wacho ni wadi samunti kama iwaka ka safety machendo mara health which mage education mabiro machando government ginana gikare and health no to education imagine go department mara wanda I things are going on and go wanda iketo stima dot to badi be loso chumi oparanya boni go beni chiwo koro milu ngao development koro ne go mi women groups in pricing mag loans mag hala jo koro ne go ngiwiche mag mining they just do their work but you want woko must question where there's something wrong democracy yini somebody like wani mu ko yenu and go kenala ko serikal na ala serikal la ta ko na do wado minister
gimajo kuny nikech nyocha mana kama chiegni kandie anoka kweth mag ODM kata mana section of the Luo bende nowacho ni ok wanyal riwore gi sirikal ni kata obed nang'o obed nade
ok nyal riwore gi sirikal mago siasa mag iwacho sirikal mane sirikal ok en bad Ruto kele na Ruto bana be we ready api government kata ko the fight no dwaro gini ne lodge udwaro loch nubedango doge kida Ruto penjo badi pesa Ruto ke president ngami e check do bin badi mami e check do bin ogone kura you didn't vote for him yes let us be wawachi good truth to kudwaro miriambo majiga do gawe ura ga miriambo al miriambo kayalo acho sa ini sama pesa pesa matingi ufuko la kage mbadi pesa maruto tingo manyo loro anda kambadi mbadi ne ko kura jakomu kete minister wase negotiate broad base nani dimilon power sitima mafuta ne lwetwa
wandai
uchumi marpe ne lweto gonja owadu we mani uchumi sani miluongo ne intellectual pia wandai cooperative en pesa udma en oparanya mining gold komba ng'wen gi attorney general gima ne pok jaluo yudo nyaka ne piny chakre to kendo en women dhako Dorcas ne di yudo kude uparo sirikal kwa niti sani moro nitie mane oyudo mopogore ma ni wacho na onge sirikal where you look at that
mana kama nyakore mgajuan kambara mara mitaka uthul makene magoniro kama mdunga nyakum ketemane chunyo nagi TV kandi kama bende korwa gombaka kandi Chalmar Penny Kenya yore siasa ne kon mgajuan wan kende ka chal kon makamu mabende korwa wacho ni sane wane siasa gino bende wacho kachane joluoni ya serikal udi mama podonge serikal waka uthul makene mondo dhi break maten kang wadugo madhogo mbaka to wacho ni to chalo nada nyakore mgajuan ketemana kanyo kikidhi maburu mata cheno ni Anan Steve James chunyo nagi TV
Ginyinga na ilunga ni Sospita Obungu Owich and President Masufuria Revolution Movement Kenya. Kawuono ni wantire chunyo nagi TV. Kendo wakwayo oganda duto teka moro amora mauntie. Mae kama dundo wa yweyo godo kaka oganda joka nyanamo. Biuru duto mondo mi ubed kanyakla kodwa e chunyo nagi TV. Warwakou nikech kae kuma chunyu weche wuokie. Biuru mondo winji luo kitwa gi timbewa. Mae en chuny doluo kendo en chunyo nagi dala. Mae chuny adundowa. Mae adundo mar jaluo. Mae adundowa. Mae dalawa. Mae kamo nagi nitie. Warwako uduto ubed thuolo.
Mana kama nanya koro mgajuanga kauthuli makende maru kikende chilono mara rio mara cheng jamondo kama bende wagoya mpaka kandi ka chel kod bigosi makamu the chairman ma broad based government kenoja kanyono mar ODM wago mpaka kacha ni to chalo na koro mgajuanga kapukwa chako yina manda kauthuli makende arwaka joma bende osdonja budhoka wan kage ilungo ni Wood Madam wacho ni owinjo maber kabisa rokamano kato wan gi Calvo Wood Kendu Karachuonyo wacho ni mosna makamu winjo maber kabisa jaja dere bende wacho ni winjo ka twak dhi maber kabisa rokamano kuom donjo kete mana kende koponi nigi penjo moro amora to bende koro yini nyalo wacho ka twak dhi maber kabisa gima bende koro wan ka gi ilungo ni Duncan Owino Senior wacho ni makamu manitiere serikal ok joluo nikech gin awacho kamano wadhi komano bang'e wan ka gi John mabende koro keta kanyo kikidhi mabur penjo na mado penjie ni to which mag abductions bige koro osekwako piny Kenya kabisa kendo ji ywak kaka joma ne serikal baba beno wacho kacha ni kuminyo pingo onge koro serikal nyaka timo tek ti wacho ni une serikal
ngene ng'ato tiyo tije adoption is under interior and under security baba you say we need to mondo be stop ama time gi mondo ka uteri court mondo dhi ya there's no need of ng'ato to dhi ne that thing kada ko kuyudi sana any time of which but the blood of that man will affect you affect you to be free so those things like adoption was kababo say well no egi hai you adapt Kenya na democracy Kenya na freedom of speech yin ngatu wewe okunyal keto je dictatorial ki wewe to ngatu kawi ngama kawi no yalo bedo ni ori gi sambuli but ngami ori will never be affected you will be affected individually kata kin police in ngama nadi in intelligence in CID think twice when you are doing those things it will come a time people will
Wakazi pachika kama makamu gikmo bende koro timora gikecho waseno ka bende nyithindo temo mondo gi protest mondo gi gol patch to ka gisibodo kiwinjo gi mana ndicho akeni yini nyalo wacho na kaka makamu
yin ngato wacho freedom of speech ni wasekalo under section 2 the power belongs to the people owegi giwu tamu giwu will never help you sami we ngato freedom ya kunyisi what to do if you are a leader listen to the expression magi golo no eman gin magi advice camarades kono implement in fact kono is the best go yanino is the best
kono is the best
no kono eman sikajara kile kabisa donc ato calling mu question anything you are a terrorist okugoi to kuleni you are a terrorist afadhali ugoi to counter kato wachi litire kabisa supersede very simple leadership era na kimi mwana wanga tukakidera na nyuma na leadership Mago is not leadership. Mago get you. Leadership ben wise wisdom. Not wise wisdom. Kaka ina jatel, in kada MC, in kada governor, in kada mjumbe. Sine no ka critics nge. Take some. Kawa negi momi ndio go. Then implement some. Ina lobe of the best leader. Don't counter them. Don't fight them. Don't kill them. At the end of the day, you'll never stay there for long. There will be somebody to become that community. Could you even
pinjina mara rian ni kaka boy so wachono kachani koro serikal ber dinyiso ni to ber chakra wadonje serikal kata broad based government ginango gine mabelo ko oganda luo
department mara mnyaoja serikal ber department mara ministerial post momio but is making the truth one day is trying his level vet kana nyoro nyine no ko to do njo dhenya kasoba kama usetiko yini nyadeka jitiyo kusola now they are switching to the beginning the scroll ber ano kaji be kubachimu minister mara mawadi wa maidala miunwanda is doing things to work with everything otimo plan rural electrification oparanya ochako dwaro minema ni women group jo ase de bondo wadhi alego wadhi kodenya ka western irwa no ni group pesa mag loans gimkora yo gasla fund when the president wajaja mbadi ngiyo chumi next year kambadi somo budget the will chumi se ukama ito yude to 6 point something no wadongore maneno yo myawacho bere ano kaji bere
sasa more ngeni inte jo ganda moko mokne ber ma serikal
no ne ber ke ni position yo position pok no neno ka ber ina na ber ke inside kaka wen kin kata ana bena ni position da kana no ber nya pingo very simple tell me you okani ye tapingo na ngota yo kan no ga lose yo man oko nego ping kabisa mondo mi ware kabisa kundi bari asin sin the problem guntia ni sha iboro ma health
mane mokron mo ber
ko gine margi national collegiate this thing university this pesa margi ne ma nintendo ma university ko education the structure makunda digo kende bone go loss
mane mapuneno kan nyo prognitiere
ko minister mar education ko minister mar education ko minister mar health to which machine ministerial post mudong are going well with roads
which thieth ka
ne matabuntie with finance but is doing his level best with mining mineral mining you is doing his level best you are going to tell my expert get you teach sama giti yende bende koko bende nge ko bijo wadhi serikal mo wana expert manyaka wakoi kundi mejeri manifesto mar baba mar ODM manyaka wariu mar bana jamon wa implement kaka expert
di bene ruto wach mar housing levy ni tinene nade
housing levy is good ko bijo moko ko ka ute na ruto to ngato gero mai ji pesa kuri jalgol oral ori on kama nyaka dele makose to yakitire dala wadwar gigo be bangato nyalo bedo affordable houses imu kugunduna ni
makamu ronyocha ni yisa kapo kwa dojo kani bwana ute megero go kwa dwa maiso ni samino ko nitie ber mo kinyalo no ber mane
ngata mano woko ma serikal pok no neno ga ber e mi duoge no position ber neno ga ngama ne
yena penja ni dipo ni Ker William Ruto ne manifesto maneno godo no krach ose dipo ni jok maneno godo manok ti maber nikech jok makato megi ma baba no megi podo endeleza manifesto mar Ker ber
no
gi plan ga agenda maneno godo gi mar pen Kenya
manifesto mar Ker ni oro 3/4 ne chalo mawa oro implementation kala kinena affordable house ngene wan go yodie kineno weche mag health ngene wan go kineno weche mag infrastructure kineno weche mag mining ngene na chiel oro the implementer emani yungi kemo ja baba no wacho duto bana wa mi some expert wa mi jang wen moko ma expert mondo diri ni gini emo dhiro ba to kero dhire gi wal to man kadire gol mon katawaniya mi umbali wanda yi wani ya ndo wana the different kujo bombele kana ko tamre ngacho tamre implement moja 2027 ngada ndo kuzo wani yedu bwana ngani watemo no mi wa expert wa ko ngani to ngani ukitwa wabi watike record to kawa yudo nombe we will negotiate and go on
but sani kuna noga ka Ruto ge kaka ukoro wacho no donje serikal ineno ni Ruto en president machalo nade
no president Ruto era na president my implement you and you read ngata implement and if you waste time you move and Ruto is a politician Ruto is a politician Ruto is not administrator he's a politician and Kenya is a place of politics Linga kibaki delia do kikokunyo Ruto must move himself outside and talk Inenya kaneye si ujichie molingi Wamwe wakikauta leo dakloweka Movie Yongine no kanyo kwa western thiko Ibolo no kwa western to jaku bidus Ngamalu western Insanu post
presidential time limit nene no nango nikech nedwa mbaka nego ne mondo inyalo mede matin
nyaka duogi referendum mago gikmede ugi anything mora ma the time limit nyaka duogi ja pay for vote is only 10 years unga amendment of term limit we go back to referendum to the people to decide yes not individual or MPs that one cannot work manona ina no kat no wajo anything mora ma the ja pay idwa mendo chike kadidwa timango amendment go back to the people for referendum mawani na kwa kura no amendo higa mar president not MPs not individual not president that is allowed wale wao ni wadhi referendum 2010 constitution yes
etamne ngina ni ka bedo broad based government ni ngina ni in the next 3 years what the bedo Kenya they chalo nade
no things will change but what I know no one day will believe that ministerial post more handle and we want to buy it mondos some budget March 2025 2026 to the opinion fail nigi kana nigi change to paranya mondo ka mine abedo imirusi pesa wanchi watama asla fund mondo mimon yo lokwala you don't cooperative banks ka ko o migi pesa gibos go their living standard and give a very simple koro president wa waga gara elikako kona but you administrative you do things maja pay fail go president okinyal ma damie propaganda manjo obro ming makana ngo diru mo ko ngi no menere ngama nyale mo hinge na raida ti modo ma yo de lal kono no gara ida na to ga ngama ngi ni wal go yodi wal go pentago en ngama kiwa kama do candidate ko diru mo ko deno odi wuyi de machakre makadare yalo ta joyi
kechika nyoro bena jo kwa joka chani ngama pod wan ka nyaki bedi gi tich matek mondo mi
nyalo ta me nyalo de na rai mondo gi to heo awacho dino magi kata bina gi jinsi o ke ro ko man ni kasa ni be the permanent secretaries what one mondo dio year these youths jinsi wenja ni neno mieri what one permanent secretaries koro wojo dong minister nyo se buka bo gi minister jodong koro permanent secretaries koro wadware jinsi yano kaka se ka gabi ogono
Giketo ganye
mago jamanya kwa support those young tax gabi do ngire would say you must be the mage young tax mwado no kwanyo ndo jinsi oneni face mar serikali go Ruto no bede jinsi
in kaka koro jalo bede koro chigni gi baba ka nyiswa ni to koro jo piny bende digombo ng'eyo ni to koro baba gi AU chalo nade
AU mar baba na mudo ngilwete president no mi wanya kwa support for that good ani wana kwa nyala go Ruto unless you want babu du kai mo all Kenyans must only remain to pray. Don't talk about it. You are not a voter in Ethiopia.
Nuona kanyo ni iwacho ni it's only the president.
You know this viral and kia WhatsApp. Those are not voters. You know kuiji ni kila idon dege mother Ethiopia chingu vote teri kapari. The first person mother Congo go kura ni Jacob and President Makare. suma yo chira rapu eno di vote omiyo nyaka mie baki eno nyaka support niko kababo yudo African Union otelo 54 including Ruto ne boy yako Obama no telo no walos history gima duong' en loso history in siasa baba poko bedo president ka but odhi bedo chair mar Africa president ete nyaka Museveni will answer to him as their chair. That is a very intelligent network. Ikoro mano nyakwa support. Koro what we in kaki ja Kenya. Gima duong' ni na to prayer. Why don't you just pray one level. All bishops in Kenya including Maglubu. Kaya tayo ko chiko. Nti prayer maduong' idala ka jeremo. Hindi lemu ko baba. Bana gima nyakwa walam. But we watch ni kiano you anena ineno gimo kina vota inena ngo
dong ji temo golo paro mopogore opogore
golo paro ngamane golo paro ena vota itu yere msie na mjumbe golo go paro kana gavana golo paro kama kiti kono kura sare kusere kali chief campaigner mare national ana ndo wanaja kura okadi waje kuyo okadi waje WhatsApp okadi waje viral okadi waje TikTok matuwe wewe na skenda chikura kwa ndio kupeleka bana you are cheating me. Let Ruto tell me I'm going to vote for him. We are praying for Raila to become a chair. Everybody is praying including me katakani watakataka sasa ukikanisa sana you have to pray for him on you to come. That is an history, that is a political mileage. Iwoki Kenya picha kibedo chair usebe the infrastructure the Africa you can understand imonya lote and Museveni tested, tried, tested. But we have to pray for him. Ruto wanyakwa support. Inene bank nini pingi ingajinde. Pingo ngadokota amano democracy. Bana kala tumne liye wiyo kangata kala plan usiku na maro wa Ruto. Yeah, don't comment. I'm not on his side. You don't get his side ka pingi kwa dai. Sadi one side mara government. Kaya I contradict myself. But I afadhali awe muka uwe kata linta no kiklik buru kuma kose
gima bende koro wachore ni jowa mabende koro wuone ne ginyalo ketho ne mondo koro kik kata ka gimoro ne sirikal baba ke go kon ke nyalo ketho kura
yo unge kura miketho Ruto understand Raila Ruto gen propaganda moko go ingo Ruto gen kila kiwu kata ka ngato go to sing en sufuna dwaro pesa funo de ne wongi so si Ruto no Ruto propaganda migo Ruto jatendwa Ruto ne jatendwa teach me that you ni mane Ruto tiyo en movie propagandist ne muchi mo gonya ko bedo rais to go e nya ko donjo Ruto be bog no chunga no the support ngate mudo magiri ja kom nyo the toy yige da golo dende nono ko go kura to ngate ko bi do ngen mo fail go bisa vota. So he has to try his level with Chakre next month. You'll never see him here. He will be in Ethiopia. Looking for the vote like Museveni, Sulu, Mudo, Sudan, South Africa. President never can mobilize, but don't just 20 people. We got body akimaya 12.
Mana kamanya kwa mkajuan kamera mrama itikete mana kande chunyo negative kande podode mabere kabisa wan kande kachel kod migosi makamu mano chairman na broad based government director the SIA jisagi momio oganda mathoth refer as the SIA jal maneno
no but one in Raila neno to allow and the body language maja kom one neno very fast jamangeng nene kasole one kana kaja kom do anga to be governor kadam bunge to asinge katundi ka kaja pa wo wo de la to asinge ngamodwa mane this year
nekech wacho ne gime wacho predictions magi biro ga kare
yes aso mo body language maja tenda bema kada bro de business asinge je wodi chiwo
Disenge cho.
I need to one day to be prepared. Bad finance. Paranya. When you need the finance to cooperative, go be your pet. You mining. Mabulangi. Language. You mangeng nengia. You man go ya kibiri si yakine kama jeti ndine. Yes.
mana kawanya koram gajwan kamora mara mitira ka utul makende maguniro kama kwa mkite mana kanda wada du kore politics kana mana siasa ma Kisumu County nikech korwa buka chela chel Kisumu County dago mbakani to koro chalona ja koram gajwan me ukite mana kanyo kikidi mabur pod mate chunri and Steve James ko wuke magano maduong mar Selela Resort maidore chunbo mono ma Kisumu ilongo ni street no mar Oginga Odinga Street karibu sana wada kite mana kanyo kupone nigi penjo mora manya koram gajwan inyalo runwa ute ni machuo kanyo Facebook page marwa Chunyo Nagi TV then inyalo subscribe Facebook page marwa inyalo follow wa iluwa bende YouTube marwa Chunyo Nagi TV wada gombaka neto koro chalo nade Kisumu County makamu wa makamu your county yes
kabisa county Mbeere county Malaya county Moluwo kada professor kaero kamano ba county skill
Angome okiere.
Ngenga mokol do ko jichamo wa.
Europe.
Africa and number 2. East Africa and number 2. Africa and number 8. Africa and number 6.
Iwacho ni town leto pesa onge keni manyalo wacho nango leto ler but koro traders wacho ni pesa onge town pesa onge flow ma pesa
pesa circulate kunde malosi gi mane traders yude pesa koro gol gi to tel gi somewhere yen ko gol kata kamu beti kake na chaka wini gol ko chako teli mambuleo kanyal biro very fast donc neno ka ini tawo yudi ka very fast die kamera mama ke interfere with trader to yaka pesa da uchie circulation Uri sani udong nuwa inde gi wanyalo yudo pesa. Waneke dugi hoki street and this just away for million. Imala wananya katima sacrifice for you to succeed. Mi wakana bala wanga wago nero kamano city. But the number wangeng to kunyali yeko. To affect traders. But for national outlook to succeed. For local to wahinyere. Unya kubedi finje. Ura aidha nyakuhinyere mondo ne bero bibange. Kata udong kanyo mundo ber kikbi. It is up to us to decide. They have decided to clean town. And Baba is supporting them. So we have to give them support. Kata one big woman kunde no goal, but we don't care. We will survive. Kisumu.
Ki compare the regime mantiene gi maybe Rangoma's regime. Inano ne ere the achievement mwasa yodo between the two governments.
No tiyo tije. Anyang kuro timamare. Kuro comparison en Rangoma ne kuriembe. Rangoma was dealing with trades. Rangoma ne ngeja pay mondo uchiem. The regime mondo en mondo investors on town le. Kuro the different ogine.
Rangoma ne
supporting people to survive low and poverty index. Mal. But the regime Maranyang en mondo international community. Ungeni Kisumu somewhere. Kuro another different policy ne. Marangoma was populist. Maranyang then dictatorial, but national outlook. Kurinyalo ne beta ul clean, namoa oko of investors na timu biro to is good. But the internal, the indigenous to the different.
One of the difference. But Gimawanya lo wacho no achieve apart from that. Ma Kisumu County is proud of.
We achieve the cleanliness. We achieve that. But why here?
You know why achieve the cleanliness? Goro gine mabende koro mio a lot of so many people olap dog na kombegi. Ado monde wagoya mbaka neto ineno nango chalmar Kisumu County chalonade in terms of siasa, politics and all that.
Siasa be, you know one candidates, but waro governor Sani. Kaka Sani, I'm supporting Dr. Ron for gubernatorial. So Alugusi Puno Janda. Janda is my personal friend. Aduma is my mentor. Willie is just a friend. Duwasi also is a friend. But now I'm still with Ron. But 100 friends. Anyaka mentor Aduma. But they are all candidates.
Mwanyi soni mbele kanyi nyalo loko pachi ni ibuku muron.
So mana Raila manya loloka. Raila manyalo biro to waina na manjo makwana ngane modwaro tani here kara ino sema ja sichi
iwe nya gosiepni
osiepe nawe mang'eny kata rango manawe ana kanyang kata okadhi ire office but I have to support him go baba support upani ng'eny nyaka baba manyimia direction andika sani spark baba wa juto kuna baba yo jakom waje broad base mwe brand new position aping ko chako duogo wa Africa lando bwana ngaja kendo wasewe kida kaka we broad
kendo chako pinga
kaka pingu kendo Alo jena. Aneni mopanga.
Hey, may I reasons for come may watch ni kodwa support Dr. Oron is your best candidate in gubernatorial.
He's an investor. Oron gikedi town ka ni find ko ni gik moko tude wasunge. Ongama nyalo ka okamanyango weno. He has experience age wise, intelligent, civil mjumbe tama chiel. Kisumu Central come to be it's not easy. Kochako Reo Kano and with 2 constituencies ahead of these candidates. Kuro and over qualified. Kuro Gimudo Nyoja Chama, Kuro Benen TFO, Koko Bedo Togo, but Kuro the Gimudo and governors, Jacomi Mapoy. Kuro Mudo go to Mago to Kuro say over qualified. Kuro Mudo and Nakajakob. I don't get them do. Emomia support. So the rest of the baby, Canadoma say Chandra Chama, one code canyon, Janda Ebendi, Gamma Bendi for focus lawyer, professor, we depend to say we do what and then young footstep, Ginagana Canyon. But the final decision making for the gubernatorial post in Luanyaza is Barbara Ilamuludin.
Of voters.
Let us be realistic. Now, if you want to be a governor, look where Jacob is. Ask is only to support you. But for the time being, coupled away free and fair like this, me I'm with somebody. But the rest are my friends.
Iningeno okay party mori wacha kaka en.
That is the thing. I have nothing to lose, no name to protect. I have to tell you the truth. And truth will set me free. They are my friends.
Yeah.
But for now, I'm supporting Oron.
Publicly.
Yeah, very simple. Come on, they know Oron governor. But Aduma is my mentor. And Jacom can't decide. Maland anybody. Katolando Nagamu Kusi Bragada commander, I'll support him. Or her. Mkubra ila mungi decision mumi wengatan. I cannot decide politics for myself. I decide ibada ilo decide. Decision ukanyal make. Kapo kurai to make. Upanya lo make mine to dismiss. To kura the contradict emo kuyina. Ani ngene kuyina pengo rai. Mumi alwa kusut manene. Raila mumi angema. Kubra ile teach mati.
Ichimo mabe.
Because of him. God Raila money. God Raila money. And kadege
God
Raila money.
Raila money.
Yes. The rest
Majok matemo pengo baba.
Magoja mora. Magoja manu tuuma e matoma. Baba okupeng. Which baja komne wija komno kendo ingo kta jinsi. Ino kingato ka jinsi ngwa jinsi. Mago wira ila lo tin mo ingo. Nyalo wa then higi braboro. Wira ingo ja 18 years. So you have to think twice. Yes. We have to follow it.
Yuarok nie ODM kan nikech jo ka bende mana kake wacho na kene matanyalo wacho nango ija ine ODM broad based government wanegi members mag ODM nikech yuarok nitiere wacho ni onge democracy party.
Democracy must be guided. Kisungu is very simple unless okay this school. Democracy must be guided. Democracy kunyalo wa free and fair kada odi chiri jake thito yombi. Kidhi ot sani luongo democracy. Jaodi jayombe gi nyithindo kata nyari kende madhigo ni kura. Chwoka dhigo jono mine gite. Kuro democracy man miwachona. That democracy must be guided. And ODM emanigi democracy ugine ni Africa mzima. Any party maji ohero to any party mabeji nyaka gore. For discipline. To jatende gi koko on left to jinindo te. Nyaka jomanyo gore. Mulu unyalego. The party, maybe the strongest party in Kenya now is the ODM. And the structure from pulling system to national government. to chairpersons mudongi gina mingado ga ore 1 week to selo krikyan mako cannot work omiyo party maduong' ka jal South Africa en ODM and ODM must be there to stay nanya kamsale mayore kumare nyose wa kudunga party let bakira geri yabere ka yore yam kachagwe party ne minyalo ga resist go kiberimbi wan kana sani ka ko ruto offer re yambo wa yufi o kwali the office wana na kichama we don't care about kipomiwa but kikiri donjo de chaki funje party you are party let
iwacho ni kidwaro ni post within Nyanza nyakineni align yourself gi Jakom
mane won Nyanza
maso ni onge tiende kari campaign mang'eny
campaign kidwaro uno jogo Jakom ini ngatenga
so instead of campaigning with Jakom
Jakom kiwoni gino nzama ni chako gigi ni kure babo ni kure dire mane njara mu go help iwacho biche manono kwa asking ini biri giri ngato wande di chakilo giri be ni mudos na japenyi go samre nyeoge rokuti molwete ni doge ni ndo kondelete to kuchigo kida sele ini kithi kondelo nyake gonyi ya kakipa you know the difference they are not your people they are Jakom's people lo Jakom for you to succeed wanda igiri be do minister no wase Jakom badi to ngama ne miyo minister ka oge Jakom opana ya ne use de onka ka bana ne diku yo no se jago yo kere the market when you drag deals odongo so igama me Jakom you ne digiri we ra Jakom di chiemu ine wanda kada mbadi wa ne da bedo minister Jakom mi mutero nyinga no nyalo kada we rutero nyinga dia mo nyameni kada ruto kaka nga mutero koro nyaki lo Jakom for you to succeed jomo bedo governance without Raila kada nyangi be tamare ngapokone na takumi kwa ekura kada kumi kwa deokia ndio yero sela hande ya Jakom era nyang professor be things must go with Jakom amulu nyale
sani one section of the Luo members of the Luo ni UDA mabende embogen popularity wipani seats ma jok mabende ni odo ok ginyal kaw seat mora mora ka bende
no seat minyalo kaw Luo Nyanza
nikech gimbe gin gi that mass
that is mass Raila man you don't have mass Mago mass mago me change direction Jakom me chiu if you are in order Luo Nyanza come to ODM don't waste your time and if you are a friend to president just be a friend to kiki one president ni na friend ya ODM uto no ngero Nyanza Raila makuto kidiri fiwale pite makuto echake waje ga ija control ga Bawo jinyo Raila broad bedo ruto yo sediral obiyo gi Raila ba command yo baro ko telu kuro yo ge kura ngama yiego mano dikuro ge intelligent network mapod wa support as a friend of Ruto was Dr. Emul was a friend of the man negisomo kode and when he commander kadamano hotel he was not talking about Raila was just having his position Jomoko no this Raila wilungo nyinge what for iluo nyinge Raila Ruto dongo ngi Raila muloi
koro nditie be iwacho ni ane jomano kuongo ne baba karach onongo be ne luwo baba mondo
okrach
ne girikni
kar mondo giwe ne girikni kare girikni you retreat you regroup then you advance with your father okinya tego dale ka bu ni okonyo Pero ka babu du konyo dale ko wada yigi dege wali yigi wa ina ka kwani ne times di mo ku wedira dali ngena I have to tell the truth and ko bano digiri na mawacho ni kana wadaigi Nyasaye Raila
pesa
ndio Nyasaye mimi wana giri mbadi ngima sayo mimi Raila ndio kisani ni pesa kutoka kwenu giri ukiwini
wingi anige
diswanganya wanga ndio kulito chama mabe mano loyalist woman loyalist high excellence ogo mabe tawo national ODM very intelligent woman katona ngo giri lawyers mago chama wakili gin yak wa supporting goyo serikali tukutemi mano isa democratic right man to wan kapodo ngwenye no ay matin wa se chandre kama to wane ado ko yira chung sani waje Ruto ra man of the law waje na a contradict my area MP my minister kora go waziri nyalo dhi elected ala kuti do kendi wo TV timina ka Ruto ra ko ni ko ga wanda ko sigo Ruto mo mi wanda iti but I must retreat tari group tabro advance 2027 mano kisungu very clear.
Oscar Kumware manoja sema chona musi kanyo ber kabisa kato wangi Carol Kitu wachone watching from Migori Mosna Makam
nero kamano Migori akuro chila yako chielo yoke mabe ya neno kanya meta mangata be chwake kanyo to masala be kode democracy yini kode yini ngata ngati ODM wacho pache Reagan Okinyo wachone chama ni ODM but president ni Kalonzo. Kalonzo bogno belo rais. Odwa belo rais to belo bunge hotel. Hotel belo rais. Ni Ruto timo gimoti luongo dhi hotel mo mi madhe fry. Ti waje Ruto timo makosa. Gorali Kalonzo kadwa president ogo bendo de Kakamega. Oyudi je manyo Ruto yudo Rwanda. Koro kone go wach gija ne jo press. Karuto wacho mriambo mar nia. No mumiaso tere pesa to Kalonzo waje pesa no akai dhigo rally mumiaso ndo igwatire jogo kwa pesa to kiwachi hotel kumiwache cha jo mumiaso dak siasa Ruto kada Ruto sali is campaigning for 2027 yinde bolidi 2027 group bili boyo ni campaign donc you are late
Duncan Owino sina wachone winjo maler kabisa wakao mosni kanyo Duncan erokamano kuom ketemane chenro machalo koda kamandie Edwin Othira wachone makamu ang'o kuom wachone ang'o kuom kuom to mar CDF Ogola
mar todo kanyaluwe ngima no teme marach pod wayuak magi gik mosemiyo be iwawang'wan sasa masisa chakre nyaka ndik
nyaka jowato
koro gin gik togo kichaki remind ng'ato ni wuoye to nyalo miyo joma nyochunyi osea gigo gini but gin gik ma at the end of the day adiera will come out onge gima dhi moko yudo adiera ni but onyalo delay but justice delay
justice denied
very good mane gima nadwoko gimano but one kako ganda lu ng'ato no family kwa mora
Kisumu Central Kisumu East ngama kauka
Kisumu East one ga dwi chairman with the cow kacha bindi cho city 20 years kwa go eno rach mano bendo rome chamo ahevni Kisumu Central ka wan go uda wonya niala udo duogo wan go dumi mara tatu sani ana na swaga
inenige
swaga jakimo kich kuda pimo ko piny mane wod da ko de salam nanya lo ni very fast Kisumu seme wan ga Kadiri Nyando wan ga Ken Nyale jale do se nyamariyo do woti katika Muroni wadhi keto Nyasona Robert ne kanyo West Capo de dwa sele no kania ne maber ili kama kidudu nyakachi ngene kadumu kana de dwaro gavana kurusa ni ngama nyinja malo nje ni upande kuja kendo se take charge
kuja se biro
geri yembere kuja biro ya ni upande pod number 2
kuja ni mal
en mal yalo balance ugati basi nyisika ase pimoni and put down around $1.
Senator
wana genye kal ko janda wayo kacha
nyukal kawe
ane kaka ngi roja kom kubiro ko mare se mwadonje mara no na mano kwa pengi da but for the time being mane kaka structure na wacho babe maga ko kitang nyalo ti
gijotiyo ga
dawa yo penga ni kwa mwacha nyawa ngaya uma be kwa penga orenga jimi uga siaya chila yako yaka gitiep terms ge mondo yaka juma nyine bio take charge democracy sokota mo ngati chunko de gere chungu gavana mara masia there's no problem. But you have to know he must go for 10 years to deliver the infrastructure in Manochak.
Mana kanya kora mgaji wangu wagika mabende kura watike ntuluna mago niro kama mdunga nyako mkete mana ichunyo na giti vikendi mana kupo nini gipenjo mora mutu deka chel kora watch mabende wago mbakani oyene wangi Oscar Kumware mano MCA seme on the Gen Z tsunami bende o support the Osiem Geloth ideology. Nitire penjo moro kama penjo gi mabe ni mheshimiwa alungo ne Oscar Kumware ojode mano seme simima seme ochina what is your take on the Gen Z tsunami bende I support the Osiem Geloth ideology you the Osiem Geloth ideology be support gino mugongo take on Gen Z tsunami gimana Gen Z not mocha ini wacha na
they did a whole thing and gino negi implement na gikwanira na wacho ga inadigo report gikwane agency penjo government emane baba kito ga inadigo report emio ne wa demonstrate and the corona gibiro force gisha was more than us ukwan kane waketo baba to giketo wa siasa jakomo ero kuko jakom ketho serikal luo ketho giki koro we retreat to a regroup to JNCO advance and we take charge. They did a good thing. See the money you're going to chill leg partyless, leaderless, kiangonoless. You are fighting, the other young man will mark at you. They will work like a motel. Nobody retain 8 years. You have to lead. A leader must show by example. You must be arrested. Nobody arrested. I goalie. The ODM do the goalie. They win with minutes. They were leaderless. Faceless. What are you telling? You mean faceless? Kada one do graila one leader. Da kwa wachi faceless. Ipo wacho kitera ila wote. Ni ukaje na yiko ri ukaje mene kito kama. Koro penyo mogi kania bende I support the Osiem Geloth ideology. Ongeli mili ono Osiem Geloth. Democracy must be guided. Okwanyalo we democracy lose ni yere nga mono wangenda. Na kwa team scanning screening ODM wangena yinga to ko singa mnyalo nye. Nyalo yere jo pinyo wacha no be. Kujo buna ro bidolo kare ngat joka. Nyaka DB ODM mo chak check polling station. Michopi ward, michopi constituency, michopi county. Koro yaka wangena ngani ngatwa. Okne dhiri jo pinyo olo pesa ti yiri. We dingto. Samoro pesa no ngatu miide duoko ne Nairobi. You cannot do that. Ya kwa team screening and scanning.
Titi meyo machalo nade.
Ila mungi.
Mana kamano kora magajwanga apana gonero kama ndonga nyaka wati kuma kama makamu mana wachni mogik mai kamera mari almando kori woge jo paint nyisi gini to koro chalo nade.
Ero kamano atimo no jo TV ero kamano kabisa kumluonga wuoyo go gande lu. Akwayo mondo walem jakom lweny man mbele wasani okeni weche mag siasa en wach mar lamo na mulo nyalego mondo bed African chair on 15th next month kendo wakwayo president incumbent super year up Ruto kaka a voter marwa madhi kongo kura mondo they mobilize all colleagues ne magin president mag Africa mondo mulo yomb with a landslide ngama dwe yomba mulo mondo oyombe sama chon mabaisa dek seche kata ngwen seche wasei joma tukweyo from Ethiopia ikelo no TVs te amolo seka okom mondo kakoro seka okom makoro chako tich ne jo Kenya kendo chako tiyo no Uganda kendo tiyo na Africa infrastructure moko mane otimo kaka koro mondo Kenya bi odongre owangi wadwani nyaka Kenya ka railways mondo koro rail mondo rengi gine malo gari mondo rengi rail malo koro ketni gi flyover mondo wang'ina mulo kala nyalo mako piny adi mane gima dwana nyiso ganda wato sirikal ngata mapingo kotani wan kaka expert wan iye gowura gandus kunde mo goyo wabe wanyiso president gima kama kwa wacho ni jowa kaka health kaka weche mag education jowa ywak pontie problem. Can you do something on it mondo sirikal run smooth when we are right inside kaka broad based government takwa jowa kaka reyo mulo interior PS between meaning on one day to together as a colleagues kaka unjo luangwen plus Dorcas Attorney General bedu se kandno mondo ukony government no kantie gimarach you have to speak to law say collective responsibility okwache liel kati kanisa. God bless Kenya, God bless Raila, God bless all leaders mag Lunyas.
Erokamano ahinya Nyakwaramogi Jwang kuom ketemane chenro mar Chieng' Jamondo kama bende nwago mbaka kacha wachno mar chal mar piny Kenya kan wan kachiel kod migosi makamu wa makamu ma bende wago kod mbaka nyaka sani Nyakwaramogi Jwang agoni erokamano duong' ahinya ka bende achaka duoko erokamano ne hotel maduong' no mar Selela Resort mane chuny boma ma Kisumu Oginga Odinga Street. Selela Resort an kar yueyo maber kabisa, yodwa chiemo maber wan godo kandie, ute romo wan godo kandie maber kabisa, kachiel nyaka pick up from the airport bende wan godo maber kabisa. Nyakwaramogi Jwang omekawo thuolo makende mondo mbi chopi to bineni to ochalo nade. Kokamano erokamano ne director mara ma program Edwin Othira kachiel kod